Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Febri Nirmala. I will explain the mini research about students' memory strategy in learning English at senior high school. In the chapter 1, introduction, first background of the research. English can be part of important language of their own country's language or called secondary language. According to Kemet 2004, Alice 2008, and Gardner 2007, explain that various studies have shown the strategy used is a major factor in language improvement. A learning strategy can use to help students to learn English too fast. And with this study, the learner can increase their English with these strategies of learning English. Dalam studi ini dijelaskan bahwa bahasa Inggris itu penting, bahkan bahasa Inggris menjadi bahasa kedua. Dan juga dengan adanya strategi pembelajaran itu akan dapat membantu siswa dalam peningkatan pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. Dengan adanya studi ini diharapkan kepada peserta didik dapat meningkatkan bahasa Inggris mereka dengan menggunakan strategi pembelajaran. The samples of the study is students from SMA 5 Tualang, where learning English in the previous class is very monotonous by only listening to the teacher explain, which of course made students bored and sleepy. Therefore, this research was conducted using a learning strategy, especially memory strategy. Also, and lastly, the study referred to students' memory strategy in learning English at senior high school. The sequence of identification of the research. Many students assumes that English is a difficult language and even hard to learn. Learning English can be a problem if students can't memorize a vocabulary. So, point of English when students understand meaning from word by word. But if students can't to understand about English, it's difficult to step to a good speaker. This problem happens because students assume that strategy in learning English was not important. Banyak siswa menganggap bahwa bahasa Inggris itu sulit. Bahasa Inggris itu bisa menjadi permasalahan hanya karena kita tidak bisa mengingat kosakata. Dari bahasa Inggris di mana kita dapat memahami kata per kata. Oleh karena itu, masalah ini terjadi karena banyak siswa berasumsi bahwa strategi pembelajaran tidak penting. Next, third, formulation of the research. Formulation of the research is how well the students go through memory strategy. Seberapa baik siswa dapat melewati strategi ini. Next, for hypothesis of the research. The researchers hypothesized that students' memory long. So, if a memory strategy is implemented, there will be an increase the height in learning English. Hipotesisnya adalah jika memory strategi dapat diimplementasikan, maka akan ada peningkatan yang tinggi dalam pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. The next 5 purpose of the research. The purpose is to find out whether students' memory at SMA 5 Tualang is slow or not, and then to find out the effectiveness using memory strategy to students. And last of chapter 1, definition of key term. Learning strategy is our students' way to learning English so that to be active and independent in understanding of lessons where it can do with various way. Memory strategy or mnemonics is a way of learning by memorizing lessons in various ways so that learning is easy to understand in the short and long term. Next, chapter 2, review of related literature. The first of review of related theories. This part will describe about definition of learning strategies, purpose of learning strategies, and kind of learning strategies, such as memory strategy. Learning strategy is the way to improve language learning by adjusting the ability so that learning runs as expected. According to Murcia 2001, the learning strategy is a reference in providing support for yourself in mastering difficult learning. As a strategy in learning, it can support students in language learning in school or home. So purpose of learning strategy. Learning strategy can help students to improve their own way in learning. It helps students to understand what their weaknesses and abilities in learning process. Using the learning strategy, it can help students not only in learning but for their examination or tasks and other. According to Rubin, 1981, states that the strategies are not the preserve of highly capable individuals but could be learned by other moderate and slow learners. And next kind of learning strategy, memory strategy. Definition of memory strategy. Memory strategies involve the mental process for storing new information in the memory for retrieving them when needed. Oxford 1990 explained memory strategy in fact a long time ago. So memory strategy is connected with knowledge that has been previously understood with the aim of consolidation. And so purpose of memory strategy is using memory strategy can help students in remembering new and previous learning in the long term. And the second of review of related literature is a review of related thinking. In this research, I'm using three of journal based on Ungu Christina and Georgescu Amelia Corina in Learner Strategies in Language Learning. This journal explained that the aim from learning strategy is to improve students' learning so reach the competence level in language. Second journal is based on Zahedia Yaqub and Abdib Murtaza in the impact of imagery strategy on EFL learners' vocabulary learning. Based on journal explained that memory strategy or called imagery strategy or mnemonics can help students to learn English with vocabulary, which is vocabulary can be bigger problem in learning English. Last, based on Journal of Izzat Pana Siroz in the impact of musical mnemonics on vocabulary recalling of Iranian young learners. This journal explained that use of good vocabulary will produce good grammar too. So, strategy that used in the study will help students in language learning from the vocabulary to grammar that using story and song. So with the support of several journals above, the completing of this study will go well. Last of review of related literature is theoretical framework. Based on diagram, it can be explained that there is a theory or explanation of the learning strategy. Explaining that learning strategy is the way to improve language learning by adjusting the ability so that learning runs as expected. And the next, explain the implementation of learning strategy using memory strategy. Then at the next point, there are three components that will be carried out in order to achieve the intended using of memory strategy. The first component, questionnaire, was used in the survey conducted during the study. And then memorizing vocabulary with a short song will determine how the students' brains remember what vocabulary they have heard. This method will support the previous questionnaire. Last component, reading and memorizing grammar with a short story. This aims to train students' brain work in various ways. In the other hand, the last point will explain that the goal is to improve students' ability by determining the strategy they will use themselves, so that learning English is created very enjoyable and does not bore students. And also, students are expected to be able to achieve a high level of competence in learning English. I think enough. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.